This is MountainOps. Two features use Google data, Cotiza for quote sourcing, and Archiva for documents. On the same OAuth client, I'll log in and demonstrate all three scopes end to end. Let's go through Cotiza first. Check the link below. Now, please sign in with the test account I sent to you. Use email and password only, no phone or two-step. Under Settings, in the option Buttons is where a user links the Gmail account Cotiza reads requests from and sends quotes with. I click Connect to Gmail. Now this is the Google's consent screen with App Mountain Ops and our client ID visible in the address bar requesting exactly gmail.readonly and gmail.send. Then allow. Okay, now the mailbox is connected and here you can see the linked address. Now, I'll act as a customer. This is a different mailbox, not the one we've recently connected. I'll send a request from a customer mail that will be taken by the app. For this, I wrote a quote request, say 8 units of one product, and send it to the address the user connected to Cotiza. Now, I'll confirm the email arrived in the connected inbox, no? Then, back in Cotiza, within a few seconds, it receives that email through the connected Gmail and a new request shows up automatically. Cotiza reads the message body, the products, quantities, and details the client wrote and parses it into a real structured quote request, extracting each line item into its own editable field ready to price. This is gmail.readonly in use. Cotiza read the email I just sent, its body and attachment, and parsed it into this structured, editable request with the products and quantities filled in. Now, to demonstrate gmail.send, I will complete the quote, pricing, and terms, so it's ready. Once filled, I submit the quote for approval, and Cotiza emails an approval link to the reviewer from the user's own Gmail. That's the first use of gmail.send. Now, I'm going to wait the mail reception. Once received, the reviewer opens the link and approves it. Now, the approved quote goes out to the customer, again from the user's own Gmail. Here they are in the Gmail send folder. Gmail.send only ever sends messages the user approved. It cannot read, label, or delete mail. Now, the other feature, let's go through Archiva to see gdrive.readonly scope. Please sign in with the same user. Under Settings, a user connects an external source. On the Google Drive card, I click Connect Google Drive. Google's consent screen, the same client ID in the address bar, requesting a single scope, drive.read-only, then allow. Drive is connected. Now I click Synchronize. Archiva reads the files from the connected drive and imports them. You can watch each document go from pending to processed to ready, tagged as Google Drive. Now I ask a question about one of those documents. This is drive.readonly in use. Archiva answers from the user's own Drive document and cites the exact file it used. It's read-only, it never modifies or deletes anything. Our privacy policy documents each scope's use and our limited use commitment, no ads, no sale, no generalized model training. That's all three scopes: gmail.readonly, gmail.send, and drive.readonly, each shown on the consent screen with our client ID and each used live end to end. Thank you.